In this lesson, we are going to learn how to make singular to plural in French. I will explain different rules step by step. Are you ready? Let's go. First, with definite article. So, what is definite article? In English, we can say the, but in French, it is le, la, la, and les. The rules is different to use. Le we can use for masculine singular, la we can use for feminine singular, and la we can use for vowel masculine and feminine singular, and les we can use for plural. Clear? So whenever you find le, la, la, and if you want to make plural, then write les, les. Now let's see some example with definite article singular to plural nouns. First, le garçon. Le garçon. Plural is les garçons. As I said, le become les. And garçon with end of the noun you can put an s. But s remain silent. Le garçon, les garçons. See, I am not pronouncing s. S remains silent. For feminine noun, la fille. La fille. I know you know the plural. La become les. Les filles. You can write s, but s remain silent. Now, vowel. L'ami. L'ami. What will you write? Les. Les amis. Les amis. Next is l'école. L'école. I know that. Les écoles. Les écoles. Okay. Now let's see some sentences from singular to plural with definite article. So you will be very clear how to make a sentence from singular to plural. For example, le garçon est gentil. Le garçon est gentil. In plural, you can write les garçons sont gentils. Le become les, garçon with s, est become sont, and gentil with s. Le garçon est gentil. The plural is les garçons sont gentils. Now with feminine noun. La fille est intelligente. La fille est intelligente. The plural sentence is les filles sont intelligentes. Les filles sont intelligentes. So la become les, fille with s, est, sont, and intelligent with s, intelligent. Now singular to plural with undefinite articles. What is undefinite article in English? That is a or an. And in French there is un, un, and plural is they. Now let's see some example with undefinite article with noun. For example, un garçon. Un garçon. Masculine noun singular. Plural is des garçons. Des garçons. Next is une fille. Une fille. Feminine noun, and plural is des filles. Des filles. Next, un livre. Un livre. Masculine singular noun. Plural is des livres. Des livres. Next is une pomme. Une pomme. Next is des pommes. Des pommes. Now let's make some sentences with undefinite article from singular to plural. First, J en live. J en live. Plural, J they live. J they live. So from here en to they and live I write on S. But S remains silent. They live and on live. Have you seen that? S remains silent. Next. Elle a un chat. Elle a un chat. Plural. Elle a des chats. Elle a des chats. Next. Il va une école. Il va une école. Plural. Il va des écoles. Il va des écoles. Now, if a noun ending with EAU, if any noun ending with EAU or EU, to make singular to plural, we have to write on X. For example, un tableau. Un tableau, plural, des tableaux. Again, X remains silent. Des tableaux. Next, un bâton. Un bâton, plural, des bâtons. Des bâtons. Un cadeau. Un cadeau, plural, des cadeaux. Des cadeaux. Next, un chapeau. Un chapeau, plural, des chapeaux. Des chapeaux. Un nouveau. Un nouveau, plural, des nouveaux. Des nouveaux. Now, a noun ending with AL. AL. To make singular to plural, we have to put AUX end of the noun. For example, un journal. Un journal. Plural is des journaux. Des journaux. Un animal. Un animal. Des animaux. Des animaux. Un hôpital. Un hôpital. Des hôpitaux. Des hôpitaux. Next, un canal. Un canal. Des canaux. Des canaux. Un festival. Un festival. Des festival. Here we have to write S. This noun is exceptional. It is ending with AL, but still we have to write on S because this noun is exceptional. Okay? Un festival, the festival. Okay? Assignment of this lesson is write singular to plural 5 noun with definite article, 5 sentences with definite article, 5 noun with undefinite article, and 5 sentences with undefinite article from singular to plural. You will be very clear after completing this assignment. Merci beaucoup. Au revoir.